I'm going to do an unboxing of the 4-amp battery charger and maintainer. I've got a school bus and I have to maintain the batteries in it so they don't die. That way it starts up every time I go out to use it. So I'm going to open it up here, see what all comes with it. So, big instruction booklet. We've got the unit itself with a big, long, nice cord. And then on this side, it's got the plug like that so that it can go into this guy. So you can just clip them on and it will charge at 4 amps. So, and it's got a built-in fuse, which is nice. It also has one where you can wire directly to the battery, which is what I'm going to use, and mount this inside of the battery compartment. That way it's always ready for me. So yeah, this will really help. You can use this on, you know, boats, cars, everything. It does do 12 volt and 6 volt. It will do AGM and lithium. So you just select your battery type.